What's up guys, so in this video I'm gonna talk about the Divi theme, and I would say this is the best theme for WordPress. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm just gonna do a Divi theme review. So guys, before I begin guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online business, so please consider subscribing. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So Divi theme is one of the most popular themes for WordPress. The reason for that is, the first thing, they keep on constantly updating. That's the best thing about them. They add new features, so it's always updating, and I have a 20% discount on this. And on top of that, once you purchase this plugin, you get a lot of other plugins as well. So if I click over here, so these are all the products we get one more extra magazine theme, you get Divi Builder, you get Bloom. This is an email opt-in plugin. Usually they cost a lot, but then if you buy it in a bundle, you get it for free. And Monarch is a social sharing plugin, so once you create a blog, people can share it by those social media buttons. So we're going to look into that as well. So as you could see right now, I'm just gonna so for me, I'm a very straight guy. I don't want to complicate you by showing this and that. Let's get back to action. So this is my website right now. I'm using Divi theme over here. So this is Divi theme. I just created Divi theme. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Just click on enable visual builder. So this is the front end of Divi theme. It's a page builder plugin, so it's very easy. If you press these dots, if you want to look at the mobile version, this is my mobile version, my tablet, my full screen. Very easy to edit. If you want to add something, you can just click here. You can add something over here. If I want to add 2 columns, I can add over here. These are all the modules, okay, and they keep on updating it. Okay, so if I go a new module, if I want to add some blurb, I can add over here. I can add some image, and my description goes over here. If I want to add something over here, it's very self-explanatory. I don't want to explain a lot. It's very easy. I'm just gonna give you how everything is and how easy it is, so you can figure out on your own. The timer goes here, really easy. If I want to delete, right click, I could just delete it, or maybe I can just click here, press this recycle button, click over here, or click over here, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, and that's it. If I want to resize it, if I want to add a gap over here, just push it. So no need of CSS as well. Look at this. If I want to increase the gap over here, I could make this big, I could make this small, I could decrease it, I could make it big. Even on the mobile version, I could just make this small. Looks really good. Make this a little big, save changes, and voila guys, this is done. How easy it is. And they have pre-made layouts as well. So let's say save changes. Okay, I want to edit my about us page. Okay, so this is my about us page. Looks really bad. It looks blank. I'm just gonna, within 5 seconds, I'm gonna make it look really beautiful. So I'm gonna choose pre-made layouts and just gonna click on, I like this one, and then I'm just gonna click on about us and just use this layout. Depending on your internet speed, it's gonna get loaded. And trust me guys, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. If someone has created it, you could reuse it, and then you could add your own twist. You don't have to build a website from scratch. And one more cool tip which I'm gonna give you is, what I do is I always save the layout and then just upload the same layout and use it for all the website and make changes to it. Come over here, delete this, there's some extra gap, make it little big. Looks really good. If I want to change this, I could just select this, type Yavar Khan, and it's so easy to edit. Save changes. If I want, I can change changes over here, and that's it guys. You can add whatever you want to. And this is it. This is my Divi theme review, and I suggest Divi theme is the best theme for WordPress. I have a 20% discount. And that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. And also the bonus I told you. So guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. It's a free course. I explain you each and everything, and I also give you ideas on how you could start making money. So go and check it out, and see you in the next video. And if you found this video really valuable, guys, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.